Hey, for more than 3 decades, people have known us as the Frontline Leadership Training Company, and we've really enjoyed working with frontline supervisors. And then one of our clients realized that if we don't upgrade the skills of the plant manager, we're really not going to ever get the maximum benefit from our leadership training investment. That's why a colleague of mine, Jason McKenzie, and I worked together with one of our clients to create a plant manager excellence program. And we've tweaked and innovated the program so that it's now ready for other companies to get the benefit from it. And we're going to kick off with a live 2-day event in Chicago near the O'Hare Airport. And that first 2-day session is going to be focused on clarifying the vision for your facility, creating an accountability map, getting everyone on the same page. We're even looking at including the Pit Crew Challenge program with a live race car so that you can see how to create a high-performing team. Now, after that great 2-day event, we're going to have a series of half-day, monthly virtual sessions for the rest of the year so that you can take the other portions of the Plant Manager Excellence program, including how to optimize the processes in your facility and how to engage your team. So we're encouraging people to book an intake call with us, discuss the program, see how it might be of benefit. I hope you'll agree that joining in with other plant managers to work on building your production facility to its full capability is a great use of your time and money. So let's have a discussion. You can click on the link here or visit the website at uniquedevelopment.com.